What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well, guys. Good morning from Canada. We're going to go over Gala Games, just absolutely on a tear. We're up another 8% in the last 24 hours, sitting at 38 cents. We're currently up on our trade as well. We're sitting at a market cap of 2.61 billion, 24-hour volume 2.32 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app and you can grab one of the incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives. Depending on the level of card that you have, $25 just for signing up through my referral. Let's hop into Gala Games. We're here on the 4-hour time frame. So with our dollar cost average strategy, we started dollar cost averaging all the way up at 48 cents. So we had 5 entries. We have a ton of money in our trade. We just broke our break even. And we're currently up on our trade about 12%. Guys, I have closed 50%. I know I have many people who jumped into the comment section. Hold. If you're a hodler, that's fine, guys. I do hodl, but I also trade. And when I close 50%, I still have a ton of money in my trade. So if it keeps going, I ride it up, guys. So I have closed 50%. And now my first buy zone is our break even at 35 cents, and then I have buy zone here 30 cents. I have a buy zone at 22, and then my next buy zone's here at 17. Spot trader, equal amounts at each buy zone, brings your average price down halfway each time. And then if you're low leverage trading, you have to double your margin. Don't recommend more than 2 to 3x, and the strategy is fully explained in the Discord, guys. So we're looking good. We've broken out of a bull flag pattern. So what you can do is you can measure your flag pull and take it to your point of breakout. Oh, sorry, guys. So your technical target is all the way up at this level of resistance at 44 cents, which is a massive, massive level of resistance, and also lines up with the golden ratio on the daily, guys. You know what happens if you get above the golden ratio? Higher likelihood you're coming back up to where you started, and the 1.618 extension coming in at 232 for for Gala, which is currently an appreciation of 500%. We're above the daily EMAs, guys. Huge sign of strength. I added a bunch of money to my Gala HODL position. I have 2 Gala positions, one on Binance and one on Bybit. And the Bybit one, I was like buying every day. I was buying right here, buying. And I'm very, very happy about that. All right, guys. So we've had the bullish cross, as I've been mentioning, which is the massive sign of a pump on the MACD. But watch carefully, guys. We are quite overbought, but you know Gala Games, pump, consolidation. So, of course, that's a possibility. We have the bullish cross of the EMAs on the daily. It's an absolutely massive pump signal. So it's looking really, really strong, guys. Now, what can happen if we do see a little bit of pullback here and we consolidate? We're creating an inverse head and shoulder. So here's your left shoulder, guys. Here's your head. And here would be your right shoulder. So what you can do is you can drop in the neckline. If we do consolidate, of course, we can just push higher. But I will give you your breakout target if this pattern takes form. And it could take Gala Games all the way up to the previous all-time high at 90 cents for Gala. You can see it with Bitcoin as well, guys. See this? We have a left shoulder, we have a head. So if we see a bit of retracement here, consolidation, which would be healthy, we allow the 20 EMA to catch back up to the candle, and we break out, we get back above the 55. Your technical target is 56K for BTC. So do keep an eye on that as well. The Bitcoin long positions have been increasing, which is a bullish signal. And the shorts, just a little bit of increase, but not too much, guys. So it's looking good as of right now. It's looking really bullish in my opinion, but of course I'll go over the bearish scenario, which is that we rolled over. We're not able to hold the 0.5. We lose the EMAs. We come all the way back down to about 22 cents. But I don't think that's likely because we're back above the EMAs on the daily. So if we hold them as support, huge pump signal, guys. Even if we see that consolidation, we create a bullish reversal pattern, inverse head and shoulders, and we could see a massive breakout to the upside. And your targets are the 1.272, $1.30, the 1.618 is your next impulsive wave target at $2.32 for Gala. Just watch these indicators, guys. We are trending back towards the top section for Gala Games. Let's quickly look at the hourly and see what we can see here. Yeah, so you can see we're creating higher highs. Creating lower highs, just eating some yogurt. It had some walnuts in it. So look at the volume, guys. Wow, absolutely incredible increase in volume. Another very bullish signal. But we do have a bit of a bearish divergence on the hourly as well as with the money flow. So do keep an eye on that for Gala Games. But when coins really pump like Gala is, sometimes those will be invalidated on the hourly chart. So that's it for Gala, guys. Shout out to the Discord, over 1,000 members. We're posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto, and we have the DCA charts for the live trades on the channel, as well as daily buy and take profit zones. If you want a dollar cost average into your altcoins, we have tons of altcoins on here. $3.50, the price of a coffee. And if you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit, $4,100 in bonuses for a limited time, and I will see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.